I'm John Champion, and analysing this game for us is Jim Beglin. The central characters standing tall for the national anthem. And we're now all set. Now Kershakov, he's on a promising run. Looking to receive the ball, break could be on. A timely intervention. They got a throw in. A switch of play. No, that's not going anywhere. Shirakov. Easy pickings, really. Denisov has gone in hard there, maybe too hard. Ignashevich is all over him. Challenge deemed unfair, foul given. Here's Kershakov. Faizulin. That's a throw. Zhirkov. Faizulin. Vladimir Bistrov. Quickly closed down. Looking to play on the break. Ignashevich is in position to intercept. That wasn't the best of passes, really. And that's been intercepted. And Zhirkov. Shoots here. Cleared away from immediate danger. Now Kershakov. He did well to get it. What next? Now Shirakov. That'll be a throw-in. Anyukov. No, possession lost. Ignashevich takes advantage of a poor pass. Berezutsky. Denisov. Anyukov. Vladimir Bistrov. That's not going to make it through. Faizulin. Zhirkov. Ball stolen. Nice little 1-2. Faizulin. It's through. Possibility here. Oh, that was a fine solo effort.
Well, he knew he needed a better angle to get a shot away, and at least he showed the best option. It just didn't come off.
He's free through the middle. Seems they weren't quite reading from the same script there. Faizulin. Anyukov. Hits it long. No, no way through there. And he launches it forward. Anyukov has a hold of him. Intercepted. Lunges wildly. Out towards the corner flag. Vladimir Bistrov. And he's now got the ball on the other side. It's through to Kershakov. A crucial intervention there. Played through the middle. Can he put it away? Oh, he's lost out there. A chance to counter-attack here. Looking to receive the ball. Break could be on. Flicks it over the top. Could be a goal here.
Well, look, you don't need me to tell you that if your first touch is a little bit sloppy, then you're not going to make too much progress, and I think he knew exactly that. I'm sure he'll get it right next time.
Here's a shot. Oh, he wasn't taking any chances there. Thumps it long. Chipped over the defence. Has the ball in a wide position. No options for him in the box. Hopeful faces waiting in the middle. He's not taking any risks there. He did well to get it. What next? And that won't be making it through. Vladimir Bistrov. The pass needed to be better there. Whistle goes. Referee just gives the throw. Ignashevich. Zhirkov. We are entering stoppage time. There's the whistle, and it's half-time. Another side conceding a goal then. It is 0-0. So the second half kicks off. Denisov. What can Russia do here? Good ball right down the middle. No, intercepted. Pumps it upfield. Shirakov. Play surges forward. Play surges forward. Vladimir Bistrov tried to make the pass, but found that he couldn't. Faizulin. And that's been intercepted. He goes alone. He's got the man there. That's a free kick. Offside, good call there by the referee's assistant. Slides it through. Oh, fine through ball down the middle. He moves in swiftly. Denisov. Now Kershakov.
Oh, that's really lovely play. I think to be able to combine good technique while beating his man is a quality not too many can boast.
Ignashevich. This goes for a throw-in. They hit it long now. Ignashevich takes advantage of a poor pass. He plays it towards the corner flag.
He may have been caught offside, but I think you have to accept that as an occupational hazard. It's been mentioned that this fellow was born offside, and he'll keep trying until the flag stays down. He'll keep working on the shoulder of the last defender until he gets one right.
Denisov. Now Kershakov. Vladimir Bistrov. Opportunity for a goal. Cleared away to safety. Within range. Gets the ball in a nice position. Didn't have any luck with the through ball there.
Yeah, it looked like there that he was asking just a little too much of himself to try and thread that ball through. He was a bit over-ambitious, but I like his thinking.
Ignashevich. Shirakov tried to play it through.
Look, if he wants that ball to make it, then he has to pass it with a bit more zip. I think he knew as soon as it left his boot it was going to be cut out. Just lacked a little more power.
Tops it upfield. And suddenly the defence is on the back foot. Through the middle it goes. Great opportunity. The linesman's kept his flag down. And he makes absolutely no mistake. They finally get their breakthrough in the second half.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
Korea, 1 goal in front.
Yeah, now that the deadlock has been broken, I think the manager has to look at his bench to try and initiate some sort of a reply. But has he got a game changer? He has to try something from here.
That's not going to make it through. Denisov. Vladimir Bistrov. It's a throw. Looks like a change is in order. There's a player there waiting to come on.
Well, if the deadlock is about to be broken, then it may well have to come from the bench. I mean, fresh legs when others are beginning to tire now could just do the trick. This game might just get a little stretched, it could help.
Faizullin. He got back very well there, was good defending.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
Looking to receive the ball, break could be on. Berezutsky. Anyukov. Shirakov. Now Kershakov. He has lunged in. Picked off. Knocks it through.
It's lovely to look at, and if they just step up the pace a bit, they could carve out that opening.
No, that wasn't the best of passes. Shirakov. Denisov. Long ball forward. Poor ball that's intercepted. And that's come to nothing. One goal is all there is in it between these two sides, and the clock is showing 5 minutes remaining in the match. So as from what I can see on the touchline, we're on the brink of a substitution.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able. Yeah, the defence had him exactly where they wanted him there. Didn't even give him the space or the room to turn. And I think if they can keep him facing the other way, then his threat becomes a much lesser issue.
Pass intercepted. He takes him out. Neat ball through the middle. Kurchakov's got it. Driven in. He can't be too happy with that. He plays the ball out wide. And they escape imminent danger. Akinfeev does what goalkeepers are paid to do. We're into the last 5 minutes.
This late on, they need to be pushing forward if they're going to get a result.
Slickly done that. Driven in. It's a good save. Faizullin has teed up this corner. And that ball picked up by the keeper. So that's it. It's all over. It all came down to that one slip up at the back. And sometimes that's what decides football matches.
Well, some matches you just don't want to end, and that was one of them for me. You couldn't predict what was going to happen next. It was a great game.
So thanks to co-presenter Jim Begley.